Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to set up passkeys and replace all your passwords on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, to set up a passkey, you have to go into settings, search up passkey, and go into passkeys. Now you have to log in using your password, so I'll do this and be right back. Now when you're logged in, you have to create a passkey, verify your password, and you've created a Samsung passkey. Now if you want to go in again, you can just sign in like this. To see the settings, you have to exit and go into Samsung Pass. And now press settings here. You can add a fingerprint, for example. Continue and register your fingerprint. Then we press done. You can add fingerprint unlock. And now you can unlock using your fingerprint as well. You can also create passcodes for different apps. For example, let's say this app will put user ID as test and will set a password. And now we've created sign in for pass for YouTube. Down here you can also store private info for like cards, addresses and notes to keep them safe. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.